Hi guys, this is HyperXT and today I'm going to show you how to install VS Code. Without wasting your time, let's get into the video. First, you have to download VS Code. You go to your Chrome or Microsoft Edge and search VS Code here. Here, click on the first link, Visual Studio Code. You can read all these things if you need, or directly click on download. According to your operating system, select which file you want. I am using Windows 10. I am using Windows 64-bit. If you are using Mac, you can select Mac also. So now my download is started. I'm gonna skip that. Once you complete the download, open the downloaded file. If you are getting this warning, just ignore that. After that, this window will pop up. Here you need to accept the license. Now I'm gonna minimize my Edge and click on next. Keep all these things default. You just click on next, and here also click on next. And here you need to select all the options, then click on next and install. Here you need to turn off immediate launch and then click on finish. And now I will show you how to start a new project. Go to file manager, open any folder where you want to work. I will create my project on desktop, and here I will create one more new folder. I will call it as web development. We will simply write web dev and open that folder. Right click on it and select open with code. And don't worry about this warning, just click on yes. I will maximize the window, and you can select your theme if you want contrast, white or dark. I go with dark, and I will close this window. And if you want to create a new file, click on this little icon. This is for folder and the first one for file. And I will create file. I will write index.html. I'm creating a HTML file and click enter. And here you can write your HTML content, but I am not going to write that now. I'm gonna show you how to create another file that is for CSS. And again click on first icon and type index.css. This is a style sheet for our HTML file. So whenever doing project, you can write whatever content you want here. I hope you successfully installed VS Code. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. This is HyperXT signing off.